Hey everybody, how you doing? Get a lot of questions about female hair transplants, and it's obviously a very hot topic. Men seem to get a lot of the attention when it comes to hair transplantation, but female hair loss is extremely common, and also could be rather devastating for people who are affected by it. So, what's the difference between a male hair transplant and a female hair transplant? The concept is the same. I mean, basically we're taking hair from the back area, which is generally immune to most hair loss syndromes, and we're transferring it to areas that are deficient of hair or have density issues, or areas that have no hair. When it comes to an FUE versus an FUT, an FUE, remember, is follicular unit extraction, where we take hairs out individually. The FUT generally means the older technique, which is a small linear scar in the back of the head, or we call the strip method. Doing hair transplants on women usually involves a strip method, and that's mostly because most women have slightly longer hair. And because of their longer hair, it camouflages things very nicely. In addition to that, an FUE requires us to shave a small portion of the hair in the back. And for most men, that's not really that big of a deal. But for men and women who have longer hair, we use an FUT because it doesn't require any shaving of the back of the head that would be noticeable. So for that reason, most women have an FUT procedure. Most men have an FUE. Of course, there are exceptions to both rules, of course. I will tell you that creating a female hairline is much different than creating a male hairline. Remember, females, if you look at males and females, their hairlines are generally different. Most females, the ideal female hairline for most women is a little more oval in its shape. And as you may see from looking around you, a male hairline generally goes back a little bit as it goes to the temple area, and then it goes down. So a male hairline a bit more sweeping as it goes back, and a female hairline is a bit more oval in its shape. It doesn't really have that temporal recession at all, even in the best of circumstances. So for that reason, we have to create what's distinctly a female hairline for females, and of course a distinctly male hairline for male patients. So that's, in a nutshell, that's the difference between a male and a female hair transplant.